Hello everyone, this is Tyson, one of your Miami trainers, bringing you a quick video on how to search for business opportunities, also known as businesses that are for sale, that may not necessarily include maybe the structure or the equipment that are a part of the business. What I'm actually going to show you is how you can locate businesses that are for sale that may include maybe some equipment or the structure. So in order to get started, you're going to come up here where you see search. You're going to go all the way down to this section right here that says business brokerage, also known as business opportunities. You're going to give that a click. And then from here, we're going to go all the way down. There are some additional fields that we're going to need to add, such as sales includes, this one right here, and also sale includes as a part of the sale. You're going to come up here, click add remove, and then you're going to look up these two fields right there in order to get started. Before we're able to use these two fields, we want to go up to the top and then select a style of business located right here. All right, for this example, we have an investor. They're looking for a gas station where they're selling the business and possibly the equipment. So what we're going to do is go here under style of business. Then we're going to go down and then select gas sold located right there. Then we're going to come down and utilize the field sale includes right here. And then we're going to select equipment. All right, so we have a total of 5 matches that are available in the system. So again, so far what we're telling the system is that we're looking for a business that's for sale, that is gas, where gas is sold. So it should be a gas station. We're going to double check the images. That also includes the equipment. All right, so we're going to go ahead and click on results to see the listings available right here. So we have the type of business located right here in the grid, and also the field for the equipment that's included right there. So we're going to go ahead and open this up a little bit. So we do have, looks like all 5 of these listings are gas stations. All right, so we're going to look at the very first one at 1,675,000 to see if there's any additional information for us to look at. All right here, location has been one of the most reputable gas stations and C-stores in the area, offering fuel, propane, of course, your favorite, and snacks. So it looks like they're selling the business with the equipment at $1,675,000. I do always suggest that you guys come down here, contact the listing agent just to make sure that that's indeed what they're offering. All right, we're now going to look at the second listing that we found in our results, located here in Pembroke Pines for $550,000. Also a gas station. All right, we're going to go down to the remarks to see if they provided any additional information. All right, right here they have approximately 170,000 gallons per month, and C-store does on average 70,000 per month. All right, so they're bringing in about 840,000 a year. They're asking 550,000. So you're going to get the business with also the equipment. All right, let's see if they included also information based on any expenses. They did not. What we would suggest to do is contact the listing office to see if they can disclose the total amount of expenses so that we can figure out a potential cap rate. Okay, so this is an example of a business opportunity search with the scenario of looking up gas stations that do include the equipment. All right, I also want to show you another way that you can effectively use the business opportunities section. So we're going to come up here to search. We're going to go back into business brokerage. So for this scenario, we're going to not use style of business. Instead, we're going to use type of business, which allows us to search based on keywords. So for example, we're going to look up a liquor store within the system that may include the license. So we're going to go here under type of business. We're going to input liquor store. All right, let me go and type that out with an asterisk before and after right there. So far we have a total of 5 matches. We're going to go. So right now we have a total of 5 matches. We're going to go down here and then go under sale includes, and then we can select as an example, then this menu license right there. All right, so we have a total of 2 matches that are available in the system. From here, we're going to click on results. All right, and then right here, the grid is set up to give you a lot of great information. So it's giving us the style. This first one is considered a business. The second one they have is a bar, lounge, business, liquor stores, and then we also have what's included. Over here, let me open this up a little bit. Furniture, fixtures, inventory, leases, license. And then the second listing is including furniture, fixtures, leases, and license. All right, so we're going to go over here, click on this listing number just to get a little more insight. Are the pictures indeed? Yes, it is a liquor store priced at $799,000. From here, we're going to go down to the remarks just to see what they're saying. Lucrative liquor store for sale, established business located in North Palm Beach County with 15-year track record, located in a high traffic shopping center with Aldi just off I-95, includes approximately $200,000 in inventory, liquor license, fixtures, furnishings, and equipment. So they're offering a whole bunch. All right. They're also indicating their gross sales. They're bringing in annually $773,000, and their total expenses is a cool $175,000 right there. Their net operating income is $95,000 as well, and they're giving us their statement period right there as of last year, and the fixture value of $100,000 right there. All right, now for this final scenario that we're going to do, we're going to look for businesses that are for sale that are restaurants that do include the buildings. We're going to come up here to search. We're going to go down to business brokerage again. And then from here, we're going to go under style of business. Then we're going to look for restaurant right there. And then we're going to use the other field that we added, which is sale includes right here. And there's a couple of different options. We have business and building, business, building, and land as well, just the business by itself, or if it includes anything else as a part of the sale. So from here, in this scenario, we're going to select business and building, which brings us down to 7 matches. All right, from here, we're going to click on results. And then now you're going to notice that the grid is giving us the current price, the year built for a couple of the listings, the style of the businesses right here. For example, this one's giving us a little bit more information. It is a pizzeria restaurant, as an example. We can also see what's included. For example, this fourth one is including the equipment, inventory, the license, and the trade name as well. Don't have anything else further to the right. We hope you found these tips helpful. You can find more tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers, or by going to the MLS Help Center. Thank you.